Welcome to jzgraphics. In today's video, I will teach you how to make this type of realistic mockup in Photoshop. So, let's get it started. I have this mockup image as a background. Go to the Window menu, and open the Layer panel. Select the image, then go to Select menu and choose Subject. Go to the Layer menu, New, and create a layer via Copy. Then press Ctrl+J 3 times, so it will make 3 more copies of the selected object. Hide the top 3 layers. Go to the File menu, choose the Place Embedded, select your image, and click on Place. Decrease the opacity and adjust the design easily. If you are done, then increase the opacity to 100%. Then right-click on the layer and click on Create Clipping Mask. And change the blend mode to Multiply. Show the first copy layer. And change its blend mode to Linear Burn. Go to the Image menu, Adjustments, and then Lens or press Ctrl+L. Use these settings. Now show the second copy layer. And change its blend mode to Linear Dodge Add. Apply levels to it. And follow these settings. Show top layer. And change its blend mode to Screen. Press Ctrl+L to open the levels. And follow these settings. Select the bottom layer and choose Solid Color. You can change background color on it as well. And change its blending mode to Multiply. Then select the Design Image layer. Right-click on it and choose Convert to Smart Object. Double-click on it and you can place your other designs. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section.